High protein, sticky chili beef meal prep. Let's make it. You're going to start with your spices, which is 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. You're going to take 2 pounds of lean ground beef, and you are going to mix the spices that I just listed into the lean ground beef until it's well combined. You're going to heat up a pan at a 7 to 10 heat, and you're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1.5 teaspoons of chili flakes, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger, and 4.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Once that's all mixed together and simmered, you're going to add your meat to the pan, and you're going to let your meat brown for about 4 minutes before you break it up. Once the meat is fully cooked, you're going to turn off the heat and you're going to add 90 grams of less sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 15 grams of honey, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame seeds, and green onions until your personal preference. And that's it for the meat. So now you're going to grab your cauliflower rice, you're going to put it all into a bowl, you're going to microwave it on directions of the package, and same with peppers and onions. Now you're going to grab 5 meal prep containers and you're going to sort everything evenly. For me, that was 7.8 ounces of rice, 2.4 ounces of peppers, and 6.9 ounces of beef in each. And that's it. So now you can just cover them and heat them up in the microwave for about 2 minutes and enjoy. Like, comment, and follow for more.